Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. We're going to be talking about something that may be a huge impact tonight with huge stipulations. Storm Prediction Center, and I hate using the word. I really hate using the word. But when the Storm Prediction Center is talking about Derecho, I guess we can't ignore the Storm Prediction Center. And will it be one? We'll have to see. But we're looking for some major thunderstorm issues later this evening. You'll see this line developing here, and it's going to move from the Pennsylvania area straight down. So here's the problem. We don't know how far south this will get before breaking apart. The other thing is the wind with this could push out ahead of it. So even though there's not a lot of thunderstorms in this part of the line, we could still get a lot of wind. So there's the issue that we have right now, and we'll have to see how all this progresses. But if I'm telling you, if you're anywhere in Virginia to at least 11 p.m. tonight, I would be keeping an eye on this line and see how far south it progresses. This could cause a lot of wind, 60 to 80 miles an hour, if this stays the way it is. Northern Virginia, I hate to tell you, you're in this. DC, you're in this. There's no question there's going to be a line of severe thunderstorms come through your area. Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Philadelphia, South Jersey, you're going to get this. I really hate the word Derecho, because Derecho will scare a lot of people, especially in the Virginia area that we had one in 2012. But the Storm Prediction Center clearly states, and I'll show you that here in a second. Let me pull up convective. Let's do the Storm Prediction Center forecast for you, and we'll get you. I'll show you this is a true statement, not any kind of a joke. I'm not joking with anybody. This is not good. What scares me too is this model data shows Philadelphia in that area, but it doesn't have any kind of a risk area. The biggest risk, yes, is going to be in this orange shading. And you can see Roanoke's right on the yellow shading. So this whole area from here south has to be watched, depending on how far south the line gets. But what I was saying, potential is for a Derecho, widespread damaging winds across central Appalachians, lower mid-Atlantic states this afternoon and early evening. Elevated MCS, and a weekend when it gets southeast Virginia. That concerns me. Like I said, this to me up here doesn't match the wording, and it kind of concerns me. We'll have to see how it goes. Like I said, sorry, but the allergies here. I want to take a look at another model run type of an idea. See what we got. I didn't take a look at this one before I went on here, but I want to see what it's showing. Here's simulated reflectivity here, and you see a little different because it's a wider version of what can actually occur, but it would show the line actually coming through the area. It's not as high res, so it's not going to be what I would say is the best thing to look at. But that being said, it does show a strong mesoscale vector system come across the area. See if I have another one I can pull up. Not with this. HHHR is being a pain in the butt. It wasn't showing me whole graphics, but we'll see if it will this time. I guess it will. Set time to load. So you can see the starting of it up here in western Pennsylvania. Now this thing is how much this moves. We're getting the thunderstorms out ahead of it. Going to be close. I mean, HRRR are showing that potential there too. A little different angled, But here's the thing with that does come back to Roanoke, so we'll have to see how this all works. Just be on your best and watch out between the hours of around 5, I would say 7 o'clock, based on this, 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock time frame around here in Roanoke. Northern Virginia, you're going to get walloped, so be prepared for extensive power outages. So be prepared, have a way to get a warning this afternoon and evening, and we'll try to update you with more information as it gets closer. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Crew. Thanks for watching.